Okay, we've got an A1502, we're just going to remove the battery from it. These batteries are actually glued in, pretty well glued in. So what we'll do before we start is disconnect the battery. It's always a good idea to discharge a battery so it's flat. Remove these speakers out of the way. Speaker out the way, speaker out the way. The batteries are out of the way. There's one screw here holding the battery terminal down. Out of the way. A magnetic screwdriver, very good. Now, you can either use plastic cards like a credit card, and what you do with this is you slide the card underneath here and you work it free. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, depends on what the glue is like underneath. So you can do this and lever the cards underneath. You use a few, it's like a credit card, use a few of these, put them through here. You have problems here. There's not much space to move under here, and you've got to get under here, you tend to damage things along here. You've got to be really careful doing this. The other option here is to use something that melts the glue. I've got this solution here that I've purchased on eBay, and what I do with this is just spread some of this along here, and I go inside where the glue is, and that will melt the glue pretty instantly. That. Now if I push this under, and that's up. That lifts that battery. So this glue remover is actually pretty good. It melts this glue instantly. And put one on this side. See the glue's broken there. And this glue remover actually melts this glue. Any problems, it gets absorbed pretty quickly and evaporates. So that's too out. And here's the problem here. So that's using a card. You can use a card under this side here to get in here. Lift the battery out of the way. So you have to get under here, which is, you're close to these cables, you'll probably damage them. The other method of doing this is to put your glue remover around here, through the center, some of the side. There. Now the other method of doing this is to take a piece of cord, put the cord through here. Here is a bit of tape, just break it off. So with this bit of twine, we'll put the glue remover through there, so it should be pretty easy just to remove that. That side is loose, and the same with this side. Should be pretty straightforward to put this through here. So now we have that up, that up. Looks like we've lifted up. And your battery. Credit cards, so the battery's removed, there's the glue. It's really sticky. Double-sided tape's all it is, but it's really sticky. You can see it on here. It's actually melted away there. You can see it on there. Here. So this glue remover really melts this. The only thing you got to remember with the glue remover is anything that's plastic, it will melt it. If you put it on here, it will melt. It just melts everything that's plastic. It's like an acetone. So you've taken your battery out, you need to clean this glue away. And that glue remover softens this, makes it easy to get off. Otherwise it's really difficult to get off. And that's it. Now you buy a new battery, you put the new battery in, glue it down, put it back again, and you're done.